this is it's a global event. You know, the King of England and the embassy has been able to give out the dates. As Nairobi, we're ready and happy to host him. Nairobi has a long history with the monarchy. Nairobi was the first Commonwealth city to get a charter, and before any other Commonwealth city in the world. And you know, it's an honor for Nairobi again to be the first Commonwealth destination that the King of England visits after his coronation as king. He has many activities lined up within the city before he goes to Mombasa, and we're happy that Nairobi was chosen. You know, the last time you know, he was here, or the late Queen was here, the way Kenya was engaging was at a different level. You know, today you have a more confident country that has esteem, that sits on the table with partners, and we discuss as partners. The colonial past is behind us. Where we look at different countries for affirmation or for direction is over. Kenya has its rightful place in the table of nations, and led by our president, I'm sure the engagements will be of mutual benefit to both the United Kingdom and to Kenya and to Nairobi.
Okay, in terms of security and traffic, do Nairobians expect any interruptions? No,
the interruptions are minimal because of just the routing of the different areas that the entourage will be going to. And you will see a lot of elements of Nairobi culture, including part of the convoy being matatus, you know, and part of the vehicles having the graffiti on them, which is part of what we're doing. And so we expect minimal disruptions. We'll be announcing in case there is anything, but the program has been firmed up over time. Of course, security arrangements for our guests have been taken care of by joint teams. We've been meeting for a long time, actually. It's just that the announcement came recently. I had a tour of Buckingham Palace, you know, a few months ago in preparation of this visit. We agreed on different places that will showcase our city, including Uhuru Gardens and many different sites in Eastlands, where the King and the Queen will be visiting, both jointly and separately. But I'll leave the details to the High Commissioner.